You are invited to attend free Real Estate Millionaire Secret Seminar live. Simply go to www.worldwealthbuilders.com to reserve your seat in your area.
Welcome back. I'm Connie Leeson, and I'm here talking with Chris Anderson about real estate investing.
Yep, I'm giving you just some of the secrets you'll get from the World Wealth Builders Real Estate Millionaire Secret Seminars that are going on across the country. These 3-hour seminars will turn you into a sophisticated real estate investor building wealth.
So, even in this market, a lot of homes are going into foreclosure. Scary word. Anything we can do about it?
Well, no one likes to hear about a foreclosure, but it's a reality in the real estate market. During a boom, an estimated 0.25% of homes face foreclosure, and in a bust, 0.75% of homes face foreclosure. According to the Canadian Bankers Association, as of March 2010, the rate of delinquent mortgages whose homeowners are unable to pay their mortgages for over 90 days is 0.44%. That means you can use these situations to your benefit. You can help these people by buying their home, and in return, you can make a huge amount of money off the investment. When you buy a house under the power of sale, the lender by law is obligated to sell the properties at current market value. In other words, it's a gold mine for real estate investors. But also, pre-foreclosures are even bigger gold mines, because at this stage, the property owner has just a couple of choices. Deal with the bank, hire a lawyer, which will cost a fortune, or simply make a deal with a professional real estate investor. You. In this case, the money literally finds you instead of you searching for it. So here's my tip of the day. Buy a pre-foreclosure property instead of a foreclosure property.
And where can people learn more about this?
You are invited to attend free Real Estate Millionaire Secret Seminar live. Simply go to
That's the most important part. You don't get charged a dime. You sign up, you show up, and you learn. Then you go on to build your wealth. You'll go from virgin to informed, sophisticated, professional real estate investor for free.
So, is this one of those get-rich-quick schemes?
Not at all. You've probably seen those on TV. They promise huge amounts of money in super short periods of time. Most of these are not practical for the average person. This, on the other hand, is information that will help you build wealth over time. You won't be a millionaire in a month. It takes some time. But if you keep at it, you will be well on your way to true financial security. Just imagine being able to take a vacation whenever you want, or being able to pick any luxury car on the market on a whim.
That's awesome. Now, hit me with another secret.
All right, let's talk leveraging. Investing in real estate has been proven over and over again to yield huge amounts of profit. Typically, professional real estate investors want to invest in real estate because of cash flow, appreciation, tax benefits, and leverage. A real estate investor can buy a piece of property worth $100,000 while only investing from $5,000 to $20,000 of their own money. And when the property appreciates, the appreciation is on the $100,000, not on the down payment. Usually, investors can get 25 to 50% of their return, plus all the tax benefits, with a tremendous growth in wealth. And the best part? You can borrow your down payment and write it off against your taxes. There aren't that many investments which can be leveraged like real estate.
This kind of stuff usually takes years of experience and training to get, doesn't it?
Exactly. But we want everyone to benefit. So we're going to give it away to everyone. Free. Just go to worldwealthbuilders.com.